With over 2,000 manufacturers and 13,000 brands, New York City is being recognized as a leader in the next industrial revolution. Join us as we meet with some of New York's rising stars and industry leaders. From CFDA President Stephen Kolb.
New York is considered one of the 4 global fashion capitals. It has a significant footprint in fashion.
To New York City's Deputy Mayor, Alicia Glenn.
I think the future of manufacturing in New York is not necessarily large-scale production. What we have to offer is really unique access to markets.
Surrounded by thousands of manufacturers, media, and retail opportunities, New York ranks as one of the top 3 cities to start a business. And I'm your guide, Matthew Burnett, CEO of Makers Row, and this is Makers Row, New York City. I'm joined here with Emily BODE of BODE.
Hi, how are you?
Thank you so much for being here. Really appreciate it. What got you into fashion design?
So I grew up in Atlanta, Georgia, and I decided that I wanted to be in the fashion community in some way. So either a stylist or a menswear designer. I came to New York to study fashion at Parsons, the New School for Design. And we enter in as general fashion design students, and around junior year of college, I decided to be in menswear.
Now, you could have gotten into fashion on so many different levels, but you chose to be an entrepreneur. Why even approach entrepreneurship in fashion if you just love design?
I think that since I was a little kid, I've always wanted to have my own brand. I'd always curated an entire lifestyle around my world. Even my bedroom, my childhood bedroom looks the same as my apartment today. I think the idea of craft making and really making a lifestyle for other people has always been really interesting to me. The idea of object making and having a retail environment and selling to somebody other than yourself has always been really inspirational.
Materials specifically are something that's really important to your brand when I look at your products. Can you tell me what your affinity is for the materials that you select?
Yeah, so most of the garments that we make are made from domestic textiles. So even though I make primarily menswear, a lot of the textiles are made by women. So they're historically like female-centric, traditional craft making. So we do a lot of mending and applique. We use a lot of quilts. So the idea of domestic textiles being used for something other than the home has always been really like a strong foundational part of the brand.
One of the most fascinating things about BODE is the fast turnaround times that you have. Does that have to do with the fact that you produce locally?
Because we use a lot of local manufacturing, we're able to turn around some of our garments even within a 24-hour period. We try to always have a lead time of 2 weeks for our one-of-a-kind garments, but working with historical tailoring factories in Brooklyn and individual tailors throughout the Bronx and New Jersey, I think we're able to really, drop off our product in our samples, lay it out with them, and have such a quick turnaround because we're just like 30-minute car ride away.
So Emily, I know you have a fashion show you're getting ready for. Thank you so much for sharing your story.
Thank you so much for having me. It was a pleasure.